Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha Misra. I'm an English lecturer working over in an institute, and I was making certain notes to be taken to take certain classes of CBSE students, and I like to go prepared for every class, no matter what, how easy the topic is. Of course, I'm teaching 11th and 12th students, so the topic is easy for me, but still I like to go prepared. I should be feeling that I have prepared much to be able to deliver the class well. So I was doing that, and yeah. So, as you all have watched my shorts and Instagram account videos as well, so my wedding is going to happen in November. So we are on a wedding shopping trip, and we have to accomplish a lot of things. Let me tell you, the journey of shopping for a wedding is really hectic, and yeah. So this is my fiance, who is, of course, I'm not introducing him as of now. I will start introducing him after my marriage or maybe after my engagement. So yeah, you have to wait for that. Apart from that, I was enjoying a little bit of song, and he brought chicken for me because I love it. Out of all the things, I really like to spend some time with him. He makes me feel good, and he makes me feel happy. He feeds me, and that is the most important part because I love eating food. I am a foodie person, and I love it when people feed me with good food. So, yeah, he takes care of me in terms of health as well. He never tells me to, be in a certain way or look a certain way or maybe lose weight or do this, do that. He just makes sure that I am healthy, and he likes to feed me whatever I love. So this is one of those things, chicken lollipop. I really, really love it. So he, bought me this, and we were having it. So yeah, you can clearly see the facial expressions, which is shouting or screaming that I love it. So there are certain things I like, and there are certain things that we love to do together. One of them is, traveling or maybe going on a long drive, and we enjoy that a lot. I also met some of his family members. One of them is my bhanja. Bhanja is I'm going to become his mommy, and I spend a lot of time with him. I like kids and I love them. So yeah. Hello, Koha.
Hello,
Hello everyone, Koha.
hello everyone.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Koha.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
My name is.
My name is Devraj Padwari.
You're from which class?
I am class 2.
I am from class 2.
I am from class 2.
Which subject do you like the most?
GK.
GK. GK काण क्वेश्चन full form? General knowledge के जे?
General knowledge.
अच्छा. Tell me something about yourself. निजर विषय काण काण टिके कुह.
I love eat to chicken.
I love to eat chicken.
I love to eat chicken.
Hmm.
I love to play.
You love to play. Which game? कहो. किन गेम बेसी पसंद? Hmm?
Bisky Amrut.
बिस्की अमृत ताको काण क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश रे? ताकि करंट स्विच करंट स्विच क्वेश्चन करंट बोले रही जावा जणे स्विच बोले स्विच कर देबो बोले से तापर छाडी देबो तो दौड़ दौड़ी पळै जीवो बिस्की अमृत जन कैंसल हला ठीक अछि बाय बोलिबो
Bye.
बाय गाइस को
Bye guys.
विल टॉक टू यू लेटर
Talk to you later.
Apart from all the things, he makes sure to make everyone happy, and that is why I love him the most, because of course he makes sure that everyone is happy around him. So it should also be our responsibility to make sure that he is happy and he is celebrated, his presence is celebrated. And his birthday was on 29th of August and we didn't celebrate it, so I gave him a surprise, and look at his smile.
Rick, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Swagar. Happy birthday, Kola. Happy birthday. Rick. ধরো
Let me tell you about something about my own self. I like to get, celebrated, and I like to do little things, and it is always the little things that make me happy. So this thing made me so much happier. And he's a person who likes to celebrate bigger things, like buying a car, or maybe buying a bike, or buying a house, or do something that is huge. And I am someone who likes to celebrate the littlest of things. So there is a pure amalgamation and a beautiful combination between both of us. So yeah, there are a lot of contrasting elements between us. I don't like शोर शराबा, ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ पसंद नहीं, but he loves it anyway. So this is the next day. I treated myself with a cheeseburger, although I don't like to have burger much. मुझे वैसे पिज़्ज़ा बर्गर ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. मुझे घर का बना हुआ खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है, because of course my father is a great cook and we love it when he cooks food for us. So I don't like much food from outside. So yeah. And this is an OOTD from the work. On that particular day, I wore a sari. This is my ma's sari, and I love it so much. So I like to drape myself in a sari. Thank you so much for watching.